Hello students, today we are going to learn Unit 16 Hydrogen, Nitrogen and Ammonia. Contents are hydrogen, nitrogen, ammonia, making ammonia in industry, fertilizers. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. Its symbol is H and atomic number is 1. It is a diatomic molecule H2. It is abundant in universe but not in the Earth's atmosphere. It is separate in the periodic table and does not belong to any other group. It behaves like alkali metals as well as halogens but does not belong to both category. Four important properties of hydrogen are: it is a lightest of all gases, it is a colorless, odorless and non-toxic gas, it combines with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen is a very good reducing agent in many chemical reactions. Hydrogen is the lightest of all the elements. It is so light that there is none in the air. It has escaped from the Earth's atmosphere. Hydrogen has highest combustion energy compared to any other fuels. It offers 2 to 3 times more energy than most other common fuels. It combines readily with oxygen, releasing considerable energy as heat. Unlike carbon-based fuels, hydrogen produces non-harmful byproducts upon combustion. Hydrogen does not produce acid rain, does not deplete the ozone layer or produce any harmful emission. Now look at this equation. Copper oxide reacts with hydrogen to produce copper and water. Here hydrogen is more reactive than copper. Hydrogen displaces copper from copper oxide compound to form copper and water. Hydrogen is here very good reducing agent in many chemical reaction. Nitrogen is a non-metal chemical element. The atmosphere contains about 78% of nitrogen. It has a chemical symbol N, atomic number 7. It is a diatomic N2. Nitrogen is used in food packing, production of ammonia, production of silicon chips, and it is also used in industries for purging the combustible and poisonous gases. Nitrogen is most abundant element in our atmosphere. It is a crucial to life. 5 important properties of nitrogen are: it is a colorless gas with no smell. It is only slightly soluble in water. It is very unreactive compared with oxygen. It reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia. This we are learning in detail next part of this chapter. Last property, nitrogen also combines with oxygen at high temperature to form oxides, that is nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. In air and water chapter, we learned more about how nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide pollutants are produced and how to reduce them. Ammonia. Ammonia is a chemical consisting of 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. Chemical formula of ammonia is NH3. Ammonia is a flammable gas. It is very important compound because it is used to make fertilizers. Properties of ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas and is one of the most abundant nitrogen containing compounds in atmosphere. It is a colorless gas with strong choking smell. It is an irritant with the pungent odor. Acute exposure to ammonia is harmful to health, especially lungs. It is lighter than air. Ammonia is the base. It reacts with hydrochloric acid to form ammonium chloride. Look at this equation. Ammonia is a base. It reacts with hydrochloric acid to form salt, that is ammonium chloride. It is soluble in water, forming alkaline solution. It turns red litmus to blue. Since ammonium solution is alkaline, it reacts with acid to form salt, that is ammonium nitrate. Here ammonia reacts with nitric acid to form ammonium nitrate. It is a salt. Ammonia is a very important chemical because it is needed to make fertilizers, and we depend on fertilizers to grow enough food. It is made from nitrogen and hydrogen. So, nitrogen and hydrogen are main raw materials in manufacturing of ammonia. Let us see how nitrogen and hydrogen are produced. As we learnt before, atmospheric air contains about 78% nitrogen. Nitrogen is separated from the air through fractional distillation process. Hydrogen is produced by reacting natural gas with steam. Hydrogen can also be formed by cracking of hydrocarbon from petroleum that we studied in organic chemistry. By using nitrogen and hydrogen, the ammonia is manufactured. The process of manufacturing of ammonia is Haber process. Haber is the name of the scientist who invented this process. Let us understand the Haber process. First, nitrogen and hydrogen are pumped and are mixed and scrubbed to remove impurities. Then the gas mixture is passed through the compressor. Here the gas mixture is compressed until the pressure reaches 200 atmospheres. The compressed gas is pumped to the converter, which is a round tank with beds of hot iron at 450 degrees Celsius. The iron catalyzes the reversible reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen to produce ammonia. Here only 15% of hydrogen and nitrogen become ammonia. Next step is the cooling tank, where ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen are cooled, causing ammonia to run into a liquid. This liquid ammonia is collected in tanks and stored as a liquid under pressure. The hydrogen and nitrogen then go back into the converter, where more ammonia is produced. It is cooled again and liquid ammonia is collected. This is repeated several times until most of the hydrogen and nitrogen have been transformed into ammonia. Improving the yield of ammonia. The reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen is reversible, and the forward reaction is exothermic. It gives out heat. Since the reaction is reversible, a mixture of two gases will never react completely. The yield will never be 100%. But the yield can be improved by changing the reaction conditions. The temperature and pressure, as we can see, the highest yield on the graph is at X, at 350 degrees Celsius and 400 atmospheres. But the Haber process uses 450 degrees Celsius and 200 atmospheres at Y on the graph. Because at 350 degrees Celsius the reaction is too slow, 450 degrees Celsius gives a better rate. And second, a pressure of 400 atmospheres needs very powerful pumps and very strong and sturdy pipes and tanks and lot of electricity. 200 atmosphere is safer and save money. So the condition inside the converter do not give a high yield, but then the ammonia is removed so that more will form. And the unreacted gases are recycled for another chance to react, so the final yield is high. The catalyst. Iron speeds up the reaction but it does not change the yield. Plant needs carbon dioxide, light and water. It also needs several different elements. The main ones are nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus. Plants obtain these elements from compounds in the soil, which they take in through their roots as solutions. The most important one is nitrogen. Plants take it in as nitrate ions and ammonium ions. Now, plants needs nitrogen for making chlorophyll and proteins. Potassium helps them to produce proteins and to resist disease. Phosphorus helps roots to grow and crops to ripen. Now, fertilizers. NPK fertilizers. NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The three nutrients that compose complete fertilizers. What are fertilizers? A fertilizer is any substance added to the soil to make it more fertile. Example, animal manure is a natural fertilizer. Synthetic fertilizers are made in factories and sprinkled or sprayed on fields. Here are the some examples for synthetic fertilizers. Example, ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate, potassium sulfate, ammonium phosphate. Ammonia is the very important raw material for the manufacture of synthetic fertilizers. Examples of reaction to make synthetic fertilizers. Ammonia reacts with nitric acid to give ammonium nitrate. This fertilizer is an excellent source of nitrogen. Number 2, ammonia reacts with sulfuric acid to give ammonium sulfate. Here ammonium sulfate also very important synthetic fertilizer. Dear students, to summarize today's class, we learnt about hydrogen and its properties. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table and does not belong to any group. It is the lightest gas and abundant in universe but not on earth. We learnt about nitrogen and its properties. Nitrogen is most abundant element in our atmosphere and it is a crucial for life. About 78% of air is nitrogen. We discussed ammonia and its properties. Ammonia is a chemical consisting of one atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. Its chemical formula is NH3. Ammonia is manufactured using Haber process. Raw materials are nitrogen and hydrogen and reaction conditions are 450 degrees Celsius at 200 atmosphere using iron catalyst. Ammonia is used to make synthetic fertilizers, also called NPK fertilizers. The fertilizers make soil more fertile and help to grow more crops.